Now we are going to see a new rule of LCM, that is, of two numbers, if one is a multiple of the other, the greater number is the LCM. I'll repeat, of two numbers, if one is a multiple of the other, the greater number is the LCM. So what is the meaning of two numbers? If one is a multiple of the other, the greater number is the LCM. Look at the example. Find the LCM of 9 and 108. So 108 is the multiple of 9. What is the meaning? That is, we have to find out. The example is 9 and 108. So 108 is the multiple of 9. So how could you say 108 is a multiple of 9? That is, you must say the ninth table. So that is 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are, that is 36, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90, 9 elevens are 99, 9 12s are 108. Okay, if you want you can do this. 12 into 9, 9 2s are 18, carry 1, 1 9s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, that is 108. So 9 into 12 you will get 108. 9 into 12 what you will get? 108. 9 into 12 108. So 108 is the multiple of 9. So that clearly understood what? Clearly understood 108. 108 is the multiple of 9 because you multiply with 12, 9 into 12. With the 108 is the multiple of 9. So you have to multiply 9 into 12, you can get the answer is 108. So 108 is the LCM of 9 and 108. So that means, so you know very clearly 108 is the multiple of 9. So I've told you already, of two numbers, if one is the multiple of other. So 108 is the multiple of the other number, that is 9. 108 is the multiple of the other. So 109 is one number and 9 is other number. So 108 is the multiple of the other number, but you have to find the LCM of 9 and 108. You clearly understood 108 is the multiple of 9. So you have to consider only the greater number as a LCM. So from these two, what is the greater number? 9 and 108, you have to find the LCM. So you have to apply this rule, which is the greater number, that is 108 is a greater number. So LCM of 9 and 108 is, the answer is what? 108. So 108 is the LCM of 9 and 108. 9 and 108 is a question, is a given question. So the answer is 108. Why? Answer is 108 because we apply this rule. If of two numbers, if one is a multiple of the other, we have to consider the greater number as the LCM. So automatically 108 is the what? 108 is the what? Multiple of 9. 108 is the multiple of 9. So we will consider and we will apply this rule. So 108 is one number, another number is 9. So 108 is the multiple of 9. So we will consider the greater number as a LCM. So we must apply this rule of two number, if one is a multiple of other. One number is 9, the other number is 108. So 108 is a multiple of 9. So we will consider the greater number as LCM. So 9 and 108, 9 and 108. So the question is 9 and 108. 108 is the multiple of 9. So 108 is the LCM of 9 and 108. So we clearly understood the greater number. These two number as a question. So 108 is the multiple of 9. For this applied, if you apply this rule, we will consider, so one number is the multiple of other number. So 108 is the 108 is the one number and 9 is the other number. So 108 is the multiple of 9. So we will consider the greater number. This is the greater number. The greater number is the LCM of these two numbers. So the answer is 108. That's all. So the next example is 7 and 49. So 7 is one number and 49 is another number. So 49 is the multiple of 7. How could you say 49 is the multiple of 7? Because 7 into 7 you can get 49. So 49 is the multiple of 7. 49 is the multiple of 7. So this is one number, this is another number. So what is the rule of two number if one is a multiple of other? So 49 is the multiple of 7. So the greater number 7 and 49, the greater number 49 is the LCM of these two number. So 49 is the LCM. LCM is what? 49 of these two number. The second example. Next is example 2. The next is example 3, that is 5 and 65. So 5 is one number and other number is, it is one number, 5 is one number and 65 is another number. So 65 is the multiple of 5. So this is one number and this is another number. So 65 is the multiple of 5. So we will consider the greatest number, the greater number as a LCM. So 5 into 13, you can get what? 65. So 65 is a multiple of 5. So we will consider, we will apply this rule. So of two numbers, these are the two numbers, If one is a multiple of other, so 65 is a multiple of 5. So the greater number is a LCM. So 65 is a LCM of these two numbers, that is 5 and 65. Next, example 4 we have to see. So now we are going to see the example number 4, 6 and 54. So 6 and 54. 6 is one number, 6 is one number and 54 is another number. This is one number and this is another number. 6 is one number and this is another number. So 54 is a multiple of 6. How could you say? 6 into 9 you can get 54. So this is another number, this is the first number. So 54 is a multiple of 6. So apply this rule. So apply this rule means what you will get? The greater number is a LCM. So 54 is the LCM of 6 and 54. So I'll repeat, if of two numbers, what are the two numbers? 6 and 54. If one is a multiple of other, so 54 is the multiple of other, 54 is a multiple of 6. 54 is a multiple of 6. So if the 54 is a multiple of the other, so 54 is one number and 6 is the other number, or 6 is one number and 54 is the other number. So 54 is a multiple of 6. So the greater number is the LCM of these two numbers. So 54 is the greater number. From these two, which is the greater number? 54 is a greater number. So 54 is the LCM of 6 and 54. Next example, this is example 4. Next, example 5. That is 5 and 15. 5 and 15. This is what? These are the two numbers. So of two numbers, if one is a multiple of other. So 5 into 3 you can get 15. So 15 is the multiple of other. 15 is a multiple of other, means that is 15 is a multiple of 5. Other number means 15 is a multiple of 5. So you have to apply the rule. What is the rule? The greater number is the LCM. So 5 and 15, which is a greater number? There are two numbers given, 5 and they have given two numbers, 5 and 15. So 15 is the multiple of 5. So the greater number, we have to apply the rule. So greater number is the LCM of these two numbers. So 5 and 15, which is the greater number? So what? 15 is the LCM. LCM what? LCM of 5 and 15 is 15, because 15 is a greater number. So we have to write the LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. Okay students, so don't forget this rules of two number. If one is a multiple of the other, the greater number is the LCM. So you should not forget the rule. I have explained already. The given number is 9 and 108. So 9 and 108 is the given number. So there are two numbers are given. So 108 is the multiple of 9. I have told you very clearly 108 is a multiple of 9 because 9 into 12 you can get 108. So 108 is the multiple of 9. So from these two numbers, which is a greater number, 108 is a greater number. So we have to apply the rule. So from these two numbers, so 108 is a greater number. So 108 is the LCM of 9 and 108. So we should not do any factors, we should not do any multiples, we should not do prime factorization method, all those things we should not apply for the particular rule. So we must know about only this rule and we have to apply for the particular sum. Okay, only for the multiples of two numbers, if one is a multiple of other, the greater number is a LCM of what? Greater number is a LCM. So don't forget the rule and do the sums properly, and whatever I teach, factors and multiples, I taught you very clearly. So do the sums once or twice, you just go through the videos. So practice more sum, then you will thorough in the concept. Thank you so much.